how to fix iPad that is crashing. The apps, when you open an app, is crashing. How to fix lag on your iPad. So what you have to do, I'm gonna give you three options. First options, just head over to settings, and here go to general and then software update, and make sure you install the latest software update. Something that I learned from my own experience: don't install uh, iPad updates that are in beta versions, because this can include and will contain bug and some bugs, and just don't. I do have iPad iOS update that is in beta version, and just don't do it, okay? But if there is a new update that is available and is stable, make sure you install that update. Now the second method, just try to restart your iPad. Just try and slide to power off and then just power on again. And now the third option is to just try to, what is that option? So here, click on reduce transparency, reduce motion, and reduce white point, right? And now click on here, reduce motion, reduce transparency, reduce white point. This can ensure you don't have that much of a lag. This can't really, just you won't see some huge improvement, but it will help you. Yes, it will, and I do think you should do this. So also try to install, guys, if you have, let's say, as you can see here, my storage and iPad storage, and I have almost full, just make sure you delete some apps, let's say InShot, and in fact I do not use that frequently InShot, so I'm just gonna delete this app. So make sure you just clean your iPad. This is gonna help you as well, obviously, if you have a lot of storage and it's full, then obviously you have your iPad, um, it's gonna have really hard time loading the apps. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. I'm just sharing with you from my own experience what I do when I feel my iPad is crashing and it's sluggish. So I really hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching.